Good morning, everybody. We are on our way to pick up my dad to go to Mississauga. And what we're doing in Mississauga is a bakery event. And then later on that day, or later on today, we will be doing a birthday celebration for him. So that is what we're doing currently. It is raining out. I am driving because I'm trying to get driving experience on the highway and in any weather condition. But that's what we're doing.
Seems like almost every weekend vlog we've been doing lately has been very rainy.
Yeah.
So we're getting ready for the winter season.
Yeah, apparently we're gonna have snow next week.
Yeah. So snow is just around the corner.
Yeah.
The rain is getting the ground ready for the snow to stick.
Yeah.
Cool down the temperature of the planet there.
We are here at the event, the International Center for the bakery event.
Just gonna get away with murder.
And it's outdoor parking. Yay. I was hoping it would be indoor or underground so we wouldn't get soaked because it's still raining out.
I feel bad for people trying to get out.
Oh, I know, it's so busy, Mississauga. Crazy.
The event is over now. We're back at my sister-in-law's house, her sister's house, and we just celebrated my father-in-law's birthday. It was a really delicious meal and cake. For the event, there were a lot of cakes that were designed, Halloween cakes that were super creepy, and then there were some...
It was a contest that people entered for Halloween and wedding.
Yeah, so there was some wedding cakes. There were some regular designs of different concepts. They weren't all wedding cakes, but that was a general concept, was just fancy cakes. So there was one category for fancy cakes, one category for Halloween cakes. In the comment below, let us know which one of each category you enjoyed the most. For the Halloween cake, there are some really creepy ones, so if you're averse to seeing some horror movie stuff, maybe skip the haunted cakes.
Yeah.
We'll mark it before the haunted cakes start going by, before we post pictures. We'll put a little warning labels.
So for the event, I did find it very informational and hands-on, I guess. They had a lot for sale as well. They had gluten-free products, and they were giving away free popcorn too with maple syrup and brown sugar packaging. And they had shows going on at the front that were free that you could watch. And then they also had like paid classes that you could get demonstrations of how to do certain cake decorating.
Cake designs,
Yes.
layering, infusing the custard or cream in the middle of a muffin. Just different baking tips, different tricks for bakers to improve their skills or tools to make their lives easier. There were, like you mentioned, baking classes that they were having at the event. And you could also buy baking classes for a chef to come at your house and teach you how to do some baking.
I made that.
Right, and that was a little bit more expensive. And there was also some contest draws for it. At the event itself, there were, besides the contest of all the cakes that we're going to show you on photos, there were plenty of other booths that were selling healthy alternatives for desserts, different baking tools.
Yes, and there was a sale too on a bunch of bake equipment, like baking trays, pans and pots and pans, and there was so much sales going on.
So it was a really good event to go to. Definitely worth trying it out in Mississauga for next year.
We went to. It's yearly. They have it every single year.
The show guide newspaper.
Yeah, they gave us this when we walked in the door.
It's a little hard to see, but it was a good event, generally.
Yeah, I definitely want to go back. We did get rushed out because Kiara got hungry and then we had to change her bomb. So we were
poop
there
after poop.
Yeah,
We
literally.
just decided to unload everything in like 1 hour's time.
Yeah.
Just
While we
a little
were
bit there, wait 5 minutes, another little load.
there. Yeah, literally. So we had to go. It was a really rainy day, but
It was raining. It was cold.
yeah, it was cold and rainy, but we were inside in the event, so
I got lost in the parking
it was
lot.
a huge parking lot. There were so many like exhibits going on at the same time.
There was a car exhibit. There was another one for ski and snowboarding. Another one for technology and an art museum. So I'm trying to get around the gigantic complex, trying to find my parking space that I was in. And there's all these different closed off sections that I can't get past. So I had to go around and around and around. So I ended up walking a good 5 kilometers.
Yeah, literally. He was gone forever. I was waiting at the door, and he was trying to bring the car out.
It was
I'm
definitely
like,
over half an hour. I'm just walking, looking for this vehicle.
Yeah.
The event itself is worth it if you've got the time and you don't have a screaming baby on your hands.
And it's $15 to get in, which is pretty awesome. This is Kiara just hanging on Richard's hand. Oh, now you get fussy when I turn the camera on. Trying to block the TV because she keeps looking at it. We're here at Starbucks to get Richard a drink because we're still on the road on our way home from Mississauga. So we're not sure where we're getting at, but here we go. Look at
Your mug
all the
is
merchandise.
electronically connected to your phone, and you can have it keep a temperature.
That's insane.
So it's rechargeable.
What? So you recharge the time, I guess.
And the battery to heat it up. Oh, sure. It is a dark mocha salted caramel grande mocha frappuccino.
But that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.